Good morning, David. Did you sleep well? This is a beautiful Saturday morning.
Good morning, Emma. I slept very well, thank you. Yes, the sun is shining, and it looks like it is going to be a lovely day.
It does. I am looking forward to the weekend. But before we relax, I was thinking we should probably talk about all the things we need to do around the house.
Ah, yes, the weekend chores. I was trying not to think about them just yet. I wanted to enjoy my coffee in peace.
I know, I am sorry to bring it up so early, but I think if we make a plan now, we can get everything done quickly. Then we can have the rest of the weekend to relax and have fun.
That is a very good point. You are right. If we work together and have a clear plan, it will not feel like such a big task.
Exactly. Teamwork makes everything easier. I do not want the chores to take up our whole weekend.
Me neither. The house is a little bit messy after a long work week. It definitely needs some attention.
It does. So, while we finish our breakfast, let's make a plan. Let's decide who is going to do what.
Okay, you have convinced me. Let's be productive. Where should we start?
I think the best place to start is to make a list. Let's write down every single chore that needs to be done this weekend.
A list is a great idea. It will help us see how much work there is, and it will be satisfying to cross things off as we finish them.
I will get a pen and some paper. Okay, I am ready. What is the first chore you can think of?
Well, the laundry basket is completely full. We have a lot of clothes to wash. So laundry should definitely be at the top of the list.
Good one. I have written it down. What is next? The floors are looking a little bit dirty.
You are right. The whole house needs to be vacuumed, especially the living room carpet. So let's add vacuuming to the list.
Okay, vacuuming is on the list. Also, our refrigerator is almost empty. We need to go grocery shopping at some point this weekend.
Yes, absolutely. We need to buy food for the whole week. So grocery shopping is the third item.
What about the bathrooms? They could both use a good cleaning.
Agreed. Cleaning the bathrooms is a big job. Let's add that. Is there anything else? Maybe we should think about the outside of the house too.
Good thinking. The grass in the backyard is getting very long. It really needs to be mowed.
Yes, mowing the lawn is a definite must-do. Okay, this is a pretty long list already. Laundry, vacuuming, grocery shopping, cleaning bathrooms, and mowing the lawn.
It is a long list, but I think we can do it. Now, we need to divide the tasks. Let's decide who is best suited for each chore.
Okay, where should we start? Let's talk about the laundry first.
I can take care of the laundry. I do not mind doing it. I find it quite relaxing sometimes, just folding the warm, clean clothes.
Are you sure? That is a big job. There are at least 3 loads of laundry to do.
I am sure. Plus, I know how to separate all the clothes correctly. I know which clothes need to be washed in cold water and which ones can be washed in warm water.
That is a very good point. I am always confused about that. I am afraid I will shrink one of my favorite sweaters or turn all my white shirts pink.
Yes, that has happened to you before. It is probably safer if I handled the laundry. I will wash, dry, and fold everything.
You are a laundry expert. I am very happy to let you take charge of that task. Thank you.
You are welcome. So, I will write my name, Emma, next to laundry on our list. One chore has been assigned.
Great. What is the next chore on our list?
The next indoor cleaning chore is vacuuming the whole house.
I can do the vacuuming. I actually do not mind that job at all.
Really? Most people do not like vacuuming. They say the machine is too loud and heavy.
I do not mind the noise. I usually put on my headphones and listen to some music or a podcast while I am doing it. The time goes by very quickly.
That is a great way to make a chore more enjoyable.
And I find it very satisfying. I love seeing the floor get clean. It is an instant result. You can see the difference right away.
That is true. It is very satisfying to have clean carpets. Okay, so I will put your name, David, next to vacuuming.
Perfect. That leaves one more big indoor chore on the list, cleaning the bathrooms.
Ah, yes. My least favorite chore of all. I really do not enjoy cleaning bathrooms.
Me neither. It is the worst job, but it has to be done. Do you want me to do it this week?
No, that is okay. You are doing the vacuuming and another big outdoor job. I will take care of the bathrooms. It is only fair. I want to do it first and get it over with.
Okay, so you will do the bathrooms. You are very brave. Now, what is next on our list? Grocery shopping.
Right, the groceries. What should we do about that? Should one of us go to the store while the other one stays here and cleans?
We could do that. It might be an efficient way to use our time. But I have another idea.
What is your idea?
I think grocery shopping is a chore that we should do together.
Together? Why do you think that?
Well, for a few reasons. First, the weekly shopping is a big job. There are a lot of bags to carry. If we go together, we can help each other with the heavy items.
That is a very good point. I hate carrying all those heavy bags by myself.
Second, if we are both there, we can make sure we do not forget anything. You might remember something that I forgot, or I might see something that is not on the list. 2 heads are better than 1.
That is also very true. I always feel like I forget at least one important thing when I shop alone.
And my final reason is that I think it can be fun. It is a chance for us to get out of the house and do something together. We can turn a chore into a nice outing.
You have convinced me. Those are all excellent reasons. Let's go grocery shopping together. But first, we absolutely must make a detailed shopping list.
Okay, so we have a plan for all the indoor chores. Now let's talk about the outdoor work. The first item is mowing the lawn.
Yes, the backyard looks like a jungle right now. I think the grass has grown 3 inches this week.
I will take care of that. I will be the official lawnmower for the weekend.
Are you sure? The lawnmower can be difficult to start sometimes, and it is a lot of work pushing it around in the sun.
I am sure. I honestly enjoy it. It is a great form of exercise, and I love being outside in the fresh air.
Well, I cannot argue with that. If you genuinely enjoy it, then the job is all yours.
It feels good to do physical work sometimes, after sitting in an office all week. And just like with vacuuming, the result is very satisfying.
Yes, a freshly mowed lawn looks and smells so nice. The whole backyard looks better when the grass is neat and tidy.
Exactly. So I will mow both the front yard and the backyard. It will probably take me about an hour to do everything.
Okay, that sounds like a plan. I will write David next to mowing the lawn. Our list is almost completely assigned.
It seems like we have divided the work very evenly. You are doing the laundry and the bathrooms. I am doing the vacuuming and the lawn. And we are doing the shopping together.
It does seem very fair. But while you were talking about the backyard, I remembered one more outdoor chore that we forgot to add to our list.
Oh no, not another one. What did we forget?
The garden. I was looking at my flower beds yesterday, and they are full of weeds. The weeds are starting to take over.
You are right. I saw those too. We definitely need to do some weeding. That is a job that requires a lot of patience.
It does. It can be a long and boring job, but I want my flowers to be healthy.
So, who is going to do the weeding? Should we add it to my list of outdoor jobs?
How about this? I can do the weeding. I know which plants are flowers and which plants are weeds.
But you are already doing two big jobs inside. Are you sure you want to take on another task?
I have an idea. We could do our outdoor chores at the same time. While you are mowing the lawn, I can be in the garden pulling the weeds.
Work outside together? I love that idea. We can be the backyard team.
Exactly. We can keep each other company. It will make the work go by much faster, and it will be more enjoyable.
I think our plan is complete. We have made a list of all the chores, and we have divided them all in a very fair way.
I agree. I feel much more organized now. I do not feel stressed about the housework anymore. I just feel ready to get started.
Me too. Now we need to decide on a timeline. When are we going to do all of this work?
Well, it is Saturday morning right now. We have the whole weekend ahead of us. We could do some of the chores today and some tomorrow.
We could do that, but I have a different proposal.
What is your proposal?
I think we should try to do all of the chores today. We should make Saturday our work day.
All of them? Today? That sounds like a lot of work for one day.
It is, but think about it. If we work hard today and get everything finished, then tomorrow, Sunday, will be a completely free day.
A completely free Sunday. That does sound very tempting. No chores at all on Sunday?
Yes, we could wake up on Sunday morning knowing that the house is clean and all the work is done. We could spend the entire day just relaxing. Or we could go out and do something fun.
I really like that idea. It is much better than having the chores hanging over our heads for the whole weekend. Okay, let's do it. Let's make today a very productive Saturday.
Great! I am glad you agree. But working all day can be tiring. I think we need some motivation.
Motivation is always a good thing. What kind of motivation are you thinking of?
I think we should plan a special reward for ourselves. Something nice that we can do tonight after all of our hard work is finished.
A reward? I love that idea. It will give us something to look forward to while we are cleaning and working.
Exactly. It will make the work feel more worthwhile. So, what should our reward be?
After a long day of chores, I know that I will not want to cook a big dinner. I will be too tired.
I will be tired too. So, what if we order some food to be delivered? We could order our favorite pizza.
Pizza! That is the perfect reward food. Easy, delicious, and no cooking or cleaning required. I love it.
And while we are eating our pizza, we could watch a movie. We could finally watch that new action movie that we have been wanting to see.
A pizza and movie night. That sounds like the perfect way to end a productive day. It will be so nice to just relax on the sofa, knowing the house is clean and the yard is tidy.
I agree. It is a deal then. We work hard all day, and tonight we reward ourselves with pizza and a movie.
It is a deal. I feel very motivated now. This is a great plan.
So, let's review it one last time, just to be sure we are both clear on everything.
Okay, today is our big work day. I am in charge of doing all the laundry, cleaning the bathrooms, and weeding the garden.
And I am in charge of vacuuming the whole house and mowing the front and back lawns.
And we are going to go grocery shopping together sometime this afternoon, after we have made a proper list.
And our goal is to finish all of these tasks by the evening.
So that we can enjoy our fantastic reward of pizza and a movie tonight and have a completely free day tomorrow.
That is the plan. It sounds fair, balanced, and very efficient. I am ready to start.
Me too. This is much better than just randomly starting chores without a plan. I feel like we are a real team.
We are. Okay, I am going to finish my last sip of coffee, and then I am going to get the vacuum cleaner.
And I am going to start the first load of laundry. Let's do this. Our relaxing Sunday depends on it.